Hello everyone. Welcome back to TingTink. Today I want to share with you something very useful. How to study smarter, not harder. You see, many learners believe that the only way to succeed is to work harder, study harder, with endless practice. But the truth is, studying smart is always better than studying hard. Today, I will share 10 secrets that can completely change the way you learn English so you can learn faster, remember longer, and speak more confidently. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started. Secret 1. The power of short bursts. Imagine you're running a marathon, but never stop for water. You'll collapse. Studying English the same way for hours without breaks makes your brain collapse too. Research shows we remember more when we study in short bursts. Try this. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Stretch, drink water, walk around, then return for another short session. Your brain will be fresher, and what you learn will stick longer. Secret 2. The rotation rule. Boredom kills motivation. One way to avoid it? Rotate activities. Instead of doing the same thing for an hour, mix listening, writing, and speaking in one study block. For example, 10 minutes. Listen to a podcast story. 10 minutes. Write 3 to 4 sentences about it. 10 minutes. Speak those sentences out loud. This rotation keeps your brain active and helps you use English in different ways. Secret 3. Teach to remember. The best test of learning isn't a quiz, it's teaching. When you explain something in simple words, your brain organizes and strengthens the knowledge. After learning a new phrase or grammar point, pretend you are teaching it to your friend, your sister, or even your pet. Use examples. Say why it's useful. By teaching, you truly own the knowledge. Secret 4. Micro-shadowing moments. You don't always need a long shadowing session. Instead, use micro moments throughout your day. While waiting for the bus, repeat one English phrase. While cooking, shadow one sentence from a podcast. While walking, practice intonation. Tiny moments add up, and suddenly you've practiced 100 sentences in a week without even noticing. Secret 5. The sleep review trick. Your brain keeps working while you sleep. Use this secret. Spend 3 minutes before bed reviewing new words. Say them out loud. Imagine using them in sentences. Then close your eyes and let your brain process while you rest. When you wake up, those words will feel easier to recall, like your brain was studying for you overnight. Secret 6. One focus at a time. Many learners try to improve everything at once: grammar, speaking, listening, writing. That leads to frustration. The smarter way is to choose one focus per week. Week 1. Focus on using present perfect in conversation. Week 2. Focus on pronunciation of difficult sounds. Week 3. Learn 20 everyday phrases. This sharp focus builds confidence step by step, and progress feels real. Secret 7. Turn learning into a game. Your brain loves rewards, so turn English into a game. Give yourself points. 5 points for watching an English video, 10 points for writing a short journal, 20 points for having a real conversation in English. When you reach 100 points, give yourself a reward: chocolate, a break, or a favorite movie in English. Fun plus reward, faster progress. Smart idea at write a mini journal every day. You don't need to write a long essay to practice English. Instead, write a mini journal, just 3 or 4 sentences each day. Example: Today I woke up late, I drank coffee, I felt happy because I listened to English music. The goal isn't length, it's consistency. A few short lines every day add up. After a few months, you'll notice your grammar feels smoother, your vocabulary grows, and writing in English feels more natural. Smart idea 9. Connect emotions to vocabulary. We remember words longer when we learn them with emotion. Instead of only writing apple a fruit, connect the word to a feeling or memory. For rain, remember the smell of the ground and the sound of drops falling. For family, picture a warm meal at your house. Your brain holds on to images and emotions much more strongly than dry translations. Smart idea 9. Surround yourself with English. You don't need to live in the US or UK to be around English. Just turn your own space into an English environment. Change your phone language to English. Put sticky notes on things in your house: fridge, mirror, window. Listen to music, watch movies, or read news in English. The more small exposures you get every day, the more your brain will treat English as natural, not as a school subject, but as part of your life. I want you to be braver and more confident in the learning process, so I will tell you a story. There is a student of mine named Anna. When she started learning English, Anna was very excited. She bought books, signed up for courses, downloaded all kinds of applications. Every day she tried to force herself to study for hours. But then, after a few weeks, everything changed. One day, a foreign guest asked for directions. Anna wanted to answer, but her throat felt tight. Everything she had learned disappeared. She just stood there, smiled awkwardly, and walked away. That night, Anna sat in her room, feeling terribly sad. She thought, I have studied for so long, but still can't speak. I am not good enough. I am not suited to English. The feeling of frustration, anger, and inferiority grew day by day, to the point that every time she heard someone speak fluently, her heart felt like it was being squeezed. Maybe you've experienced that feeling too. But Anna didn't give up. She tried something different. Instead of forcing herself to learn a lot, she started learning a little bit every day. In the morning, she listened to an English podcast for 10 minutes. In the afternoon, she wrote 2-3 short diary entries. In the evening, she recited a new phrase before going to bed. No pressure, no pressure, just small, steady steps. A month later, she was surprised to find that she understood things faster. 3 months later, she was confident enough to have a few conversations with tourists. 6 months later, Anna herself couldn't believe her ears when she answered fluently in an interview. It didn't all come from studying a lot, but from perseverance. A little bit, every day. In this episode, I urge you to remember these 10 smart English learning tips and never take them for granted. Short-term learning. Rotate activities. Repeat to remember. Practice small balls. Review before bed. A clear goal. Turn learning into a game. Keep a mini diary. Emotionally connect vocabulary. Create an English environment around you. Choose one tip and try it today. Remember, there's no need for a giant leap. Just small, smart steps. Every day you'll get closer to fluency.